Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for the chance. My name is Eko. I'm from the State Polytechnic Semarang. Today, I will present our topic about design of hip prosthesis to reduce impingement and wear. I'm here with Mr. Iwan Budiwan Anwar. He is a doctor in the Suharto Orthopedic Hospital, Surakarta. Prof. Jamari from Diponegoro University, Semarang, and Emile van der Heide from the University of Twente, the Netherlands. It is my outline. I'm going to tell you about introduction, single large head, and dual mobility as a solution for impingement, best design of hip prosthesis to reduce impingement and wear, and the last is conclusion. Introduction. When our hip joint is broken due to something like accident or maybe osteoporosis, we will feel pain in our hip joint and we cannot perform daily activity normally. The solution is we can replace our hip bone with artificial hip joint, or we can call it as hip prosthesis. After that, we can perform daily activity normally again. However, as long as patient using it, the hip prosthesis experience damage on the liner lip due to impingement and wear on the liner inside due to friction. The final damage it will occur dislocation, where the impingement and wear on the hip prosthesis are caused by the movement of the femur bone as long as the patient performs daily activities. This picture shows the process and position of impingement and wear on the liner. When the head moves rotation, the next stem will hit the liner lip, while when the head rotates, it will sliding in the liner and there is interaction contact with friction and will cause the wear on the liner. Also, if the impingement occurs repeatedly, it will cause damage to the liner lip. Therefore, this phenomena need to reduce that the lifetime of hip prosthesis will be long time. The first solution is using single large head and dual mobility to reduce impingement. The meaning of single head is only one head in hip prosthesis. These are the illustration of single head for small and large head. The large head can increase the head-neck ratio so that the impingement decreases. Based on theory, the increasing head-neck ratio can increase the range of motion and therefore it can reduce the risk of dislocation. It is the proof that the increasing diameter of head can increase the angle of impingement. Based on literature, dislocation rate could be reduced significantly with a large diameter of 36 or 40 mm up to 1% versus 8% with 32 mm of head. It is dual mobility hip prosthesis. The meaning of dual mobility is there are two heads in this hip. It is the first head and it is the second head. When first head reaches the liner lip, the second head will rotate until the neck hits the cup. The dual mobility principle is a combination of Sunray concept with McKick-Farah concept to produce large bearing made of polyethylene component with a large outer diameter and inner diameter that are low friction. It is the comparison of performance between dual mobility and single head, or we can call it conventional model. This figure shows the range of motion flexion as a function the anti-fashion angle. Based on this figure, the dual mobility is better than the single head model in the reduction of impingement. The second solution is cross-linking to reduce wear. This figure shows the comparison between the polyethylene liner with and without cross-linking. This figure also shows the wear performed is reduced when using polyethylene cross-linking. So, based on a review of several hip prosthesis models, it can be determined that the hip prosthesis model that can overcome impingement and reduce wear is a dual mobility model. Then, if the dual mobility model combined with cross-linked material, it will be a good hip prosthesis model to minimize impingement and wear. The conclusion: there are early and late dislocation where these are associated with impingement and wear. Many researchers propose solutions to overcome impingement and wear by expanding the range of motion and improving the quality of implant material. Based on the literature study, it was concluded that the combination of dual mobility design and cross-linked material could reduce impingement and wear. Okay, that is our presentation. I hope it will give us a knowledge to understanding the best of hip prosthesis for reduced impingement and wear. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.